It's the 1st of June and we're checking how many granny squares Jane made. And it's quite a lot. She's making a blanket for us. So far, is this a half? Yeah, this is a half of the blanket. Still a lot of blues to do and just 50% of just repeat this. Jane says that in 1 month it will be ready, but I'm thinking like maybe 2 months. But it looks great. Look at what is he doing? Are you confident? Hey, little kitty cat. Oh, Tingu! Rainy June. Last June in Russia for me. This is last June in Russia for me. This is insane. Today is sunny day. We're in Yekaterinburg eating some breakfast. Lemonade. Jane is happy. Можешь побегать еще раз? Что? Чтобы она снимала? I'm not the freshest I could be. We have our water turned off. The hot water got turned off for 2 days, so didn't wash, didn't shave, but nonetheless. July? Oh, no, it's June. It's June right now. We didn't have a lot of videos in June due to many obstacles in our lives, and mainly those are Chingu got so sick that he got his 2 fangs removed, so he's like half cat now maybe. And other than that, we were just working so much, a lot. Actually, this month alone I've earned around 500,000 rubles, which is, I don't know, around $7,000, which is one of my records this year. So alright, next month I'm going to Seoul back because my Japan visa got declined and they didn't want me there because some documentation problems. But other than that, we'll try to record. We have like a few days left in June, and next month is my what's the name? Next month is my birthday month, and I'll be meeting my best friend I haven't seen in 10 years or ever. So that would be fun. Other than that, I'll film more. We got our favorite game, Machikoro 2, and we're building our cities right now. That's Jane's city, it's mine city. Pretty good game, check it out.
Тихо, тихо, тихо!